Today, we're traveling from Madrid, Spain to Marrakech, Morocco, leaving Europe behind and heading into North Africa. Join us as we fly with Ryanair, navigate Morocco's strict drone regulations, and see how smoothly this travel day really goes. Good morning, everybody. It is currently 6:09 here in Madrid. We have made our way to the line number 7 platform as we're going to take the metro to the Avenue of Americas, and then we're going to take the 200 bus all the way to Terminal 1 to catch our flight to our next country.
I am so unbelievably tired. We did not get good sleeps last night, and obviously no coffee before the start of this travel day, so hopefully the check-in process and security goes really well and really fast, and then we can go find a lounge. We've made it through security and customs. That was so easy. There was a huge line behind us, but Grandma and I got here at a very good time. Next order of business is to find coffee and a lounge. This is so worth getting up extra early, coming to the airport 3 hours early, all for this. Thank you.
Rice?
I didn't see the breakfast options before I saw the dinner options, so this is quite the array of flavors. We maybe stayed just a little bit too long in the lounge. We need to very quickly head to our gate. I don't think we had a reason to run, but Grandma and I like being early. And we still beat the boarding agents. So I think I got my times wrong. So we are taking Ryanair today, which is probably one of the most popular budget airlines here in Europe. The only thing with budget airlines is that they are very strict on their rules of the dimensions of your cabin bag and your personal item. Now, Graham did just try to shove his into the little constraints that it has, and our bags don't quite fit.
They're like, it's like if there was no wheels, they would fit.
So we're just gonna like play it off really cool.
Yeah.
Be super, super nice, friendly, smile. Hopefully they don't notice that our bags are slightly too big, and hopefully we'll get through okay. What's also crazy is Graham and I were talking about it. We are going to be across 3 different continents in under a week, which is just such a crazy thing to say. I know some people don't like it, but I absolutely love being on the tarmac. It just gives you such a good perspective of just how massive these planes are. We just boarded the flight. I think this is going to be a pretty full flight. I think I was kind of getting used to all of the legroom that the emergency exit provided because I'm feeling a little cramped in here. But honestly, Ryanair is not too bad. I've flown with them before and the seats are relatively comfortable. It's super basic. There was so much overhead space because I think most people just carry a personal bag only because that's the cheapest option.
We also booked the priority pass or the priority boarding,
which you get if you have a cabin bag. We didn't do anything specific.
No, which also then we were some of the first people on the plane, so then that also helped us with overhead bag space.
I will say our bags are a little long for the overhead bin. We had to turn them sideways and then we just closed it up and hoped that no one opened it up and looked at it. I think this flight should only be around an hour, so we're going to touch down in Marrakech in no time.
Yeah, I also absolutely jinxed the crap out of us. We booked the aisle and the window seat today to see if we could pull off the middle trick where we get the middle seat free. As soon as I said maybe we'll get the middle seat, somebody came and sat down beside us, which is totally fine. I just completely jinxed it. So, oh well, it should be a pretty comfortable flight over to Marrakech.
We will see you in Africa.
We are through and officially in Morocco. This is very exciting. We have both wanted to travel here for a very long time. So we're excited to get out of the airport and see the city of Marrakech. Now, Customs and Border Patrol took a little bit longer because we fly with the drone. We knew that they weren't allowed in Morocco. So as we were entering the country, we just made sure to tell the Border Patrol, say, hey, we've got a drone. They pointed us in the right direction and they store it for us. When we fly out in a few weeks, we'll come back to that same office, give them the paper, pay our small fee for the storage, grab our drone and carry on our merry way. So yes, they're not allowed in the country, but they make it very simple if you are traveling to Morocco with a drone.
That's so sweet. Apparently March 8th is Women's Day, so I got a rose and then some kind of little goodie bag. This is nice. Good morning, everyone. Come on in. Welcome to our Airbnb. Now, we actually got here a week ago, and this morning we are checking out and we realized that we never actually ended this video, and we wanted to show you guys where we've been staying for the past week. Graham and I splurge a little bit when we have a work week, which we know we're gonna stay in the same place, pretty much just be at our computers all week long. So this Airbnb is costing 70 Canadian dollars a night, but for Marrakech, honestly, pretty good prices. So to give you a little tour around, this is our living room. We have a nice big TV, a big couch, and a coffee table. The kitchen is pretty much well equipped. I would say it's definitely missing a couple things here and there, but still we have an oven and a stove top, and we even have a washer as well. So we've been able to stay on top of our laundry, which is always a plus when you are on the road. Now, if we go this way, our living room has a little bit of a coffee nook area, which looks really good, but the seats are pretty uncomfortable to actually sit in. You lean really far back. We also have this big arcade machine, which I was not convinced was actually gonna work when we booked this place, but it does. And there is a ton of games on it, so that has been really fun as well. Now, if we go to the back here, we have our bathroom with nice hot water. Now back in here is our bedroom with gorgeous windows. We've been able to view one of the main streets here, just people watch. It lets in such a good amount of light, and also we've been able to watch a beautiful sunset literally every single day. So that's probably honestly my favorite part. Also, we've been able to fully unpack here in this huge closet, which was so lovely to just be stationary for a little bit. But that's pretty much it. All in all, it was a super smooth travel day to get here. It's not our first time flying with Ryanair, but I will say that was surprisingly easy.
It was simple, too simple.
The fact that they didn't make us size our bags was just like, maybe we just had some really good people as our flight attendants. I don't expect that every single time we fly with Ryanair. I would say more times than not, they do make you size each and every one of your bags because it is a budget airline, so there is a little bit more strict rules, but I mean, yay for us. It was really nice and smooth and easy.
Yeah, very simple. And honestly, I think I worked up all of the drone stuff in my head more than I needed to. And I think I tend to do that sometimes, especially on travel days, making sure I've crossed our T's and dotted our I's. But yeah, it was very simple to just like declare it, be honest, be open about everything, and make sure that they know. And then when we go back,
hopefully it's just as easy.
Yeah, hopefully it's just as easy, and we just pay our storage fee essentially, and then they hand it right back to us. So fingers crossed that happens on the way out.
Also, Morocco is a country that, you know, we really haven't been to before, so we did take an Uber, and that Uber ended up costing 30 Canadian dollars. Please don't do that. As we were in the taxi, we saw all of the super nice public buses that were driving around. So that's definitely the cheaper route. And don't worry, in the next video, which you'll see, we actually have to head back to the airport really quick. We're gonna take a public bus, so we'll show you exactly how to do that. We hope you are just as excited for our Morocco series as we are. We are actually heading to pick up our rental car to do a little 2-week road trip around this beautiful country. So we hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we will see you in that one. Bye-bye!